Hello everyone, I'm Mitch Muncy, Senior Product Manager for MSE Apex, and I'm here to bring you another release update. We're very excited with the release of MSE Apex 2024.1 as this brings a huge boost of MSE Nastran support, so let's get started. Starting with a very wide view, there hasn't been much of an update to the vision for MSE Apex. MSE Software and now Hexagon has had a strong collection of solver technologies. We've leveraged MSE Apex to provide next generation user experiences for MSE Nastran, Atoms, generative design. While we've been primarily focused on desktop workflows, we're proud to introduce cloud connected solutions with Nexus. And I'll have more on that in just a little bit. The goal with MSE Apex is to provide a modern direct modeler and mesher with full coverage of MSE Nastran for linear, nonlinear, and topology optimization workflows with direct access to cloud compute. Before we jump into what's new in 2024.1, I wanted to revisit our progress over the last year and set the stage. First, we had new support of MSE Nastran modules. Modules allow the organization to work independently on separate sections of the model and bring it all together without the need for ID management. We also added support for shrink wrap meshing for acoustics modeling. 2023 was also a good year for scripting development, as we saw quite a few new tools extending what was possible with MSE Apex. This brings us to MSE Apex 2024.1. The main focus of this release was wrapping up the support of MSE Nastran with case control and solution sequences. While that was a big focus, we also added support for Nexus Compute. We also added some important meshing enhancements. There's a powerful new tool for creating your own Apex customizations, as well as a tighter integration with generative design and some overall robustness and stability enhancements. Starting with the case control and solution sequences, we took a similar approach to the releases we've had in the past, which is to add support for as much MSE Nastran content as possible. For solution sequences, we added or expanded support for linear statics, normal modes, linear buckling, modal and direct frequency response, modal and direct transient response, and MSE Nastran Sol 400 nonlinear. This includes additional workflows covered by these solution sequences such as random response and shock. Additionally, while Apex doesn't have all the required bulk data entries for every MSE Nastran solution sequence, the user can toggle options in MSE Apex to write out the necessary solution sequences and case control data. The idea is that with some minor bulk data edits with direct text input, the user can leverage much more than is shown by default. And as I mentioned before, the primary focus of this project was enabling new Dynamics capabilities. This includes both the support for pre- and post-processing. For Dynamics, this means improved capabilities for charting. Users can select any node in the model and chart dynamic qualities like displacements, velocities, and accelerations. In addition to all the work supported this release to support Dynamics, the new case control enhancements also extend the user control over setting up your nonlinear analysis for MSE Nastran Sol 400. This ranges from basic improvements over load combinations, steps, and substeps to multiphysics with chain thermal structural analysis. MSE Apex can automatically convert older style solution sequences such as 106, 153, 129, 159 to MSE Nastran Sol 400 automatically. Additionally, utilities shipped with MSE Apex can make debugging difficult nonlinear analyses much easier. These tools will identify challenges in contact or convergence and allow the user to fix them before running a long nonlinear job. These tools can be used with MSE Nastran or with other third-party FEA solvers. MSE Apex continues to build on its strong capabilities for moving from CAD to mesh with two new meshing enhancements. First, a new routine will allow the user to refine the shell mesh to limit the number of generated triangular elements. Second, users can inject pre-existing nodes and elements into a new mesh, allowing for more control over features and connections. This enables many new workflows with MSE Apex, including lock mesh, associating orphan mesh to geometry, fixing mesh patterns in mesh at fasteners and welds, and connecting to an external mesh by matching existing mesh patterns. This capability is available through Scripting API, and a demo tool demonstrating this capability is included with this release. Expanding the extensive scripting and API capabilities, MSE Apex 2024.1 adds the ability to add new graphic objects to the MSE Apex window. This includes models for post-processing, charts, glyphs, and much more. Previously, tools like stress linearization, pressure, and temperature mapping would create a new graphics window to display these custom graphic objects, but these can now be drawn into the native Apex graphics window. This allows users to pan and zoom and use all the other common MSE Apex gestures. When running large models, MSE Nastran benefits from having higher-end machines with ample memory and cores. If you don't have access to one of these or high-performance computing, we're now offering Nexus Compute. MSE Apex will automatically submit your MSE Nastran files to the cloud for solving. For more information on Nexus Compute, please visit us at nexus.hexagon.com. And if you don't already have access to Nexus Compute through your account, you can request a free trial by following the link and clicking Contact Sales. As always, we're driven by your feedback, so I hope you've enjoyed all the new features we've provided. And if there's anything else we can do to help you, just please reach out. I'll be back a little bit later this year to give you an update on 2024.2. Take care.